Oh. He's coming. Here it comes. He got his head poked up. Sticking his tongue out. Come on, Snake. Come on, Snake. There you go. He's gonna chase me. I got him back in the corner. I gotta get the camera on him. There he goes. Gotta flush him out. Uh-oh. Where's he at? He's under the box. He didn't go over to the next hole. Oh! He's got a hole in the ground right there. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Right in there. We're going to put a couple drops. What? No, he's on the box.
Oh, I thought you said you went in the hole.
Oh, I did. You better get back. He's going to come out. There he is.
Now, do you see why I didn't want pine straw here?
He thinks he's camouflaged. Look how thick that body is now.
That's not poisonous snake.
Yeah, but
Like a pine snake or something, I think. I mean, his head,
that could be a copperhead there.
not with a head shaped like that. You think? I don't think so.
I guess not.
He's too long. His head is just totally narrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of gas in that hole then, discourage him from coming back.
That's why I didn't want pine straw here.
Yeah.
Because I could step on a snake and not even know it until. What was that? What was that?
That was a big hopping cockroach or something. Get it, snake. Get it, snake. He went down that hole.
Well, at least he doesn't have his place to hide.
That rug you see, folks, that's an 8x8 foot rug. See how big that snake is?
You big liar. Y'all watch him. He's a liar.
We'll have to edit that out. Well, there we go. That was the exciting part today. Now back to our project. The gutters. But watch that snake though. Keep an eye on that snake.
I don't want him to come back.
I guess we're having a showdown, a staring contest. She's gonna aggravate that. Uh-oh. Strike.
I want him to go. I want him to go away.
Well, went that broom. She didn't let go of it. Whoa, no. Don't throw my shoes down there. Okay, we're backing away slowly, Snake. Back to the project.